As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two Char-Broil grills, the classic 2-burner B01HM7BUY8 and the Performance Series 3-burner B01MQIXCN2. What's the real difference?
Well, right off the bat, the Performance Series is bigger. It boasts 600 square inches of total cooking space compared to the Classic's 280. That's a pretty significant jump.
Wow, that's a lot. So if I'm grilling for a crowd, the 3-burner is the way to go?
Absolutely. The 3-burner can handle around 16 burgers, while the 2-burner is better suited for smaller families or couples, maybe around 12 burgers.
Okay, makes sense. What about the burners themselves?
The Classic has 2 burners with a 20,000 BTU rating, and the Performance Series has 3 burners cranking out a total of 34,000 BTU. But remember, BTU isn't everything.
Right, I know. So what else sets them apart?
The Performance Series uses Charbroil's TRU infrared cooking technology. They claim it prevents flare-ups and cooks food up to 50% juicier.
Interesting. So less chance of burning my food? Sounds good.
Exactly. Plus, it supposedly distributes heat more evenly. The Classic, on the other hand, has standard porcelain-coated wire grates. They are perfectly fine, but not as advanced.
What about size and weight? I don't want something too bulky.
The Classic is much lighter, weighing in at 37.5 pounds. The Performance Series is a hefty 94.6 pounds. It's definitely more substantial.
Okay, that's a big difference. And what about features? Do they both have a side burner?
Yes, both have a side burner. The Performance Series side burner puts out 10,000 BTU, while the Classic's is 8,000 BTU. Both have a grease tray for easy cleanup.
Okay, sounds good. What about the build quality? Are they both stainless steel?
Both have stainless steel elements, but the Performance Series seems to be better constructed, according to customer reviews. Some people say the Classic feels a little flimsy, but others disagree.
Alright, I think I understand. The Performance Series is bigger, more powerful, and has TRU infrared, but it's also heavier and possibly more expensive. The Classic is smaller, lighter, and more basic, but still a decent grill.
You got it. It really depends on your needs and budget.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.